Hi, fellows. Welcome back again in another idea. So this time we are looking for the pound dollar, and I hope you are making some money while following me on the pound dollar. Yeah. So on pound dollar, you know that we are bearish for longer term on the pound dollar. Yeah. So the trade setup we are looking for on the pound dollar is just for the continuation of the previous wave. Yes, so that's the bigger wave, the way we are looking for on the pound dollar for longer term to the downside. These are the areas for the price action. We were watching that top for short when price was testing that top, looking for continuation formations, when price was building those continuation pattern formations and looking for the breakdown. Okay, so where we are currently sitting at that trend line. All right, sitting at that trend line, and price is just correcting back to that impulsive move or the way which has just begun over there. Okay, so that is the structure, daily structure and daily pattern formation. We are sitting at that trend line. You can see over there this uptrend. So we are sitting over that trend line. So we are testing that top again, this weekly, that daily top. We are testing that top again, and we are looking for this idea. Okay, we are looking for that trade. Okay, back to within the flat formation, flat channel formation, up to that bottom, or possible breakdown and continuation of the bigger wave to the downside. All right, so the trade setup is this. Okay, so that's the trade setup. That is your trade. Okay, so similar like that trade. So if you have, if you are following me on the pound dollar when that wave was appearing over there, so this is similar like that. Okay, so once price is going to hit that bottom, we will see that either we are going to get down or we are going to get back within that corrective structure again. Okay, so what we are having right now on the pound dollar, we are having that corrective uptrend. Okay, so I'm looking for this corrective uptrend to break down. You can see over there that corrective uptrend even was more sharper than this one. Okay, that corrective uptrend was more sharper as with compared to the current one. So this is more corrective. It will break down soon. It will break down. So what you need to do, you need to watch top for short for the downside. Okay, so like that. So when this pattern, when this corrective uptrend gonna change itself, if we're gonna see like that, if you're gonna see impulsive move, strong breakout, something like that at the current price, then this corrective uptrend gonna change and will give us an idea that yes, we are going to get that top again. We are testing that top again. So currently I'm not looking for that possible scenario. I'm looking for continuation to the downside, which is highly likely going to be over there, that trade. Okay, so what you need to do, get into the market on that trade, you have to track lower time frame. How price gonna build the price action at the lower time frame. So we are having 15-minute time frame. We are having continuation formations for upside. All right, so we are having continuation formations for upside. You can see over there impulsive move, another impulsive move, another impulsive move is appearing over there. Okay, so what formation we are having? We are having something like that formation. Okay, wedge. Okay, so what you need to look for, you need to look for this kind of price action. Okay, that kind of price action, then continuation, then breakout. Yeah, impulsive move, continuation, and then breakdown to the downside. Okay, so watch this area, impulsive move, continuation, and then breakdown to the downside. Okay, so this trend line breakout gonna give us an idea that yes, we are leaving this corrective uptrend. All right, so we need to see stronger breakout on that trend line. So corrective breakout will give we'll put that price back within the corrective structure. Okay, so we need to see stronger breakdown to the downside on that trend line for confirmation that yes, we are going to get down. Okay, so getting into the market at that top, once you're going to see that price impulsive move is just appearing over there, get into the market, move on break even, and let the market continue to the downside. Okay, so price action like what? Price action like this. All right, so price action like this. Watch it, sell it, move on break even, and look for continuation to the downside. All right, so this is the trade setup. So use the reasonable stop loss. Once you're going to get in the market, use the reasonable stop loss. Tight stop loss, going to be slightly risky over there because we are into that corrective uptrend. Yeah, so a couple of more bars may appear over there in the similar formation. If that is going to happen, you should not frustrate about that. Yeah, so clear breakout, the example which I have just shown you, clear strong impulsive move, impulsive candle to the upside, gonna give us an idea we are leaving this corrective uptrend for upside. Okay, so, and clear breakdown, we are looking for that breakout like that. Okay, we're at this area. Okay, so entry here gonna be very, very late. So you need to get into the market on lower time frame as much early and on time. Okay, all right, so watch price action at that top for entry on time. So we are having another feature from the trading view which is very, very nice, and that is the video idea. Yeah, so last time whenever I was posting my ideas and was asking to my followers watch price action, most of them they start to freak out. What kind of price action? Okay, so I have given example what kind of price action you need to search over there on lower time frame. Impulsive move on lower time frame. So once you're gonna see that impulsive move is just going to appear over there, just get into the market, watch the uptrend, corrective uptrend breakdown, and move on break even, stay into that trade, and watch this bottom to continue breakdown to continue to the downside for further downside. Okay, so potential is there and high probability trade setup. All right, so good luck, fellows, and thank you very much for likes and comments. Okay, and big thumbs up for the trading view. Very nice feature, specifically for those fellows who are completely new to the trading, so they're gonna learn how professional traders analyze their charts. Yeah, so very, very nice feature. Thanks, TradingView, and thank you very much, fellows, for your comments and likes. We'll see you back in another idea. Until then, goodbye.